Hey, what's up, guys? And I do not feel like doing a voiceover or turning the camera to a 180-degree angle to show my face. So I'm just going to use the stuffed cat that is in front of me. And that's leading on to my first point of why it's hard being a cat on YouTube. Because I just want to sleep, eat. I have to upload every week. Come on, dude. What YouTuber does that? Like, come on. Every week? I do not have that kind of schedule, dude. And you should know that cats do not have that problem. Have this problem. And we should not be able to upload every week. That's a problem. Also, I want to watch YouTube videos, not make them. What is this? 2005? What? Also, man, I only have 40 subscribers, and I think it's because I'm a cat, and that is very animalist. Just because I'm a cat, you won't subscribe? What? You should subscribe because I'm a cat. The Tabian Rush, signing out.